Introduction to computers. This is fourth week. We got the first assessment on Friday. We reviewed it a little bit today. We looked at the tests, and we looked at a couple other things that they need to be able to do to finish up their outlines. And then we finished up Unit 2. We did some review. So I talked about different ports on a computer. You can hook, you got where you can hook an Ethernet cable, so you can connect to a network. You can go Wi-Fi, have some antenna built into some computers, all laptops nowadays, or mobile devices. There's USB ports. You can hook printers, keyboards. You might just plug in a USB drive to store something. HDMI, you're able to send video and sound through the cable, like connected to your TV. Firewire, also very good for moving video, move video and sound from a camera into the computer. And we reviewed a little bit of the hardware. We reviewed again that we take data files, some program or app, processes on the file and creates for us information. Information can be anything from just a document we typed up in a word processor to a movie that we're actually running through the computer. We reviewed software briefly, two major types, system and apps, and then we have the operating system, which deals with the hardware, and all the applications run through the operating system. In class, we talked about computers in industry, retail, home use, and education. And there are endless examples. We talked about productivity software, software that's designed to make us productive, make us more productive in basic things we do, like word processing, managing text, spreadsheets for doing what-if analysis on numbers like budgets and how much a house payment would be and so forth. Presentation software like PowerPoint and so forth to get a point across. And then all kinds of software to manipulate graphics. You hear the term somebody photoshopped them in, the whole idea of working with bits and graphics. And then we finished up with databases. Databases are huge. We can have simple databases that we run on our personal computers at home to the huge databases that manage the huge amount of data that's collected in the world nowadays. Talk about technology in general. It affects how we learn. Hopefully technology allows us to learn more in a shorter period of time. It obviously affects how we work, almost anywhere you work nowadays, in terms of how technology is used there. We can use technology to manage how we play, the things we do, and also the idea of technology making us more creative or maybe less creative in some ways. And that's it for today.